Hi there, I'm Brian Tarbox. I'm an AWS community hero, and I'm the leader of the Boston AWS meetup, which means sort of my whole gig is about community, building communities, growing communities, helping people learn. And Amazon has a wonderful community, and I'm glad to be a part of it. Well, I have the opportunity today to talk about CodeWhisperer, which is a wonderful tool that I've had the pleasure of being one of the early beta access users for, and I can't say enough good things about CodeWhisperer. Before CodeWhisperer, these days we need to know an enormous amount of information. Amazon has hundreds and hundreds of services, and each of those services has hundreds of calls, and you can't memorize all of those. We've all used syntax completion tools in our IDE, but CodeWhisperer takes it to a new level. And I'll give you just a really simple example. There are bits of code that we all have written many, many times. One of the examples for me is writing a CloudWatch alarm. It's about 30 lines of code, and I've written it 100 times. And every time I write it, I have to go look up exactly the syntax for it. But on a whim, I said, CodeWhisperer, make me a CloudWatch alarm. And brrr, it wrote the 30 lines. And that was amazing. And besides being incredibly happy, I didn't have to jump out of my editor. So I stayed in the flow. And so I almost think of CodeWhisperer as a distraction reducer, and lets me stay in the flow. So I think it's a tool that people should really explore, because it's fun, it's helpful and fun. And I'm happy to chat about CodeWhisperer or pretty much anything else in the Amazon space to people. You know, I have the various emails and web pages and so on, but I'm a pretty friendly guy, and I love to talk. So I'd encourage people, if you have questions or comments or suggestions, please reach out.